Today I'll be covering saturated hydrocarbons. To begin with, I'll draw an atom of carbon, and I'll draw its covalent bonds. As you can see, one atom of carbon has four covalent bonds, which can be linked to four atoms of hydrogen. So, as long as this atom doesn't have any specificities, I like to call them that, but it's not really the case, um, it only can get four atoms linked to it. That means that I cannot just come in and link another atom of hydrogen to it like that. If I do this, it's false. So the maximum amount of atoms they can link to one atom of carbon is four atoms. So for example, methane is one atom of carbon and four atoms of hydrogen. On the other end, ethane is two atoms of carbon linked together alongside three atoms of hydrogen linked on each of them. Um, Propane gets only two atoms of hydrogen on the carbon in the center because two of its covalent bonds are basically linked to each atoms of carbon on each side, like this. So we got one atom of carbon here, one atom of carbon here, and one atom of carbon here. Now this only leaves one link here and one bond here. So you get one hydrogen here and one hydrogen here. Butane is basically the same thing, but as you can see, I've made a little parenthesis right here with the number 2 right here. It means that there are two times this setup in the center. So it means that there is CH3, CH2, CH2, and again CH3. And I've done that just to save up space. But as you can see, this can take a lot of space, and I don't really have the amount required for it right now. So we'll begin with methane. It has only one atom of carbon. Ethane has two atoms of carbon in its skeleton. Propane has three of them. Butane has four atoms of carbon in its skeleton. Pentane means pent, five, penta, five, which has five atoms of carbon. Hexane means six, hence it has six atoms of carbon. Heptane, it means seven, so it has seven atoms of carbon in it. Octane, octo means eight. Now nonane for nine. Decane for 10 atom of carbons. Undecane for 11 atoms of carbon. As you can see, there's two on the outside and nine in the core. Dodecane has two on the outside and 10 in the center again. And tridecane has two on the outside and 11 in the center. So as you can see, it gives you 13. What more can I say? This is mostly a video to check out the recording quality of my computer, also to see how good my microphone is. And in the next video, if you're interested in it and if you think that I'm able to explain well, I'll be covering cycles, such as, for example, what can I do? We'll say 1, 2, 3. This is cyclopropane. What else can I say about this? And yeah, I'll be trying to cover cycles. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and goodbye.